Hey guys, my name is Dawnita and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for rocking with your girl and thank you for being here again. And if this is your very first time here, let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, some travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. So if you like what you see by the end of this video, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And we're going to get into some things with this headband Unice. So I'll be right back. So today I am reviewing the Unice headband wig in water wave, and I got it in 18 inches. It is 150% density. There is no plucking required, no glue, and it's a plop and go. The price for this unit on our website is $119, and they do offer sizzle, which is another form of like afterpay, quad pay, Klarna. It's one of those. There are 4 payment installments with that, or you can just purchase it whole. You know, 119 isn't too bad, especially for a cute unit like this. It was a quick and easy sledge. The packaging for this unit was super cute. It came in this cute little cardboard box, and it has like the instructions on the back. It also came with 2 headbands, so I really did like that. It was such an easy sledge. It has 3 combs in the front, so a big comb right here, 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back. There's adjustable straps back there, and there is a black headband that goes around. I did cut off some of the headband because the Velcro part was just too long and it was like scratching the back of my neck. So I did cut a little bit of it off. Other than that, honestly, you guys know I love me a quick, easy sledge. Yes. So I got the tea for you because I've had this unit for over a month. Before I review human hair units, I like to test it out to make sure you guys are getting your money's worth. And a lot of these companies kind of like send YouTubers the nicer wigs, and then, you know, they send regular customers not so nice wigs. So I purchased this unit with my own money, and I can vouch and say that this is a month worth of hair. It is really nice. I do wish the density was a little bit thicker. I feel like it's a tad bit thin up here at the top. But other than that, these curls is popping. I didn't put no product in it. I washed it with shampoo. I put like just a drop of leave-in conditioner in there while it was wet. Then I just let it air dry. Like I have like a vent, you know, that comes out with heat. Just put it on top of the vent and let it air dry. And this is what it looks like. So I have not experienced, honestly, much tangling. I would say there's more shedding when, you know, I wash the hair because I'm brushing it out, but I haven't experienced any shedding or tangling for that matter. I would say this is definitely some good quality hair. Again, it's only been a month, but I am satisfied with my purchase. I wear this for my Zoom calls every day for work. I just plop it on and go, and then I do my edges. And then if I really want to be lazy, I just pull the black elastic band all the way to the front so I don't have to do my edges. But I hope you guys enjoy this super quick, easy, fun video. Let me know your thoughts below in the comment section. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And I will see you guys next time. Namaste.